What's up, everybody? This is Jeremy. I just got back from Best Buy a few minutes ago, and they got me a wireless keyboard to go with my wireless Mighty Mouse that I just got. I was actually going to order them with my iMac when I first bought it, but I saw that it added 1 to 3 days on the shipping time, and I just didn't feel like waiting, so I just ordered it stock and didn't modify it or any customize or anything like that at all, and put next day shipping on it. And about a week later, something like that now, I've got the wireless keyboard and mouse. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up real quick. Gotta love all that Apple goodness. Underneath you got all your packaging and all that good stuff. Actually, I've heard a lot of people with new iMacs having problems with the Bluetooth as far as wireless Mighty Mouse and keyboard and all that stuff. So hopefully they get that fixed soon. That's your little booklet with all your stuff. I don't know. I don't need that anymore. Just a bunch of stuff that I'll probably never ever look at. You got your batteries. And if I can get these stupid things open. I hate trying to open batteries that are packaged like this. Alright. I'll hold them up in a second and compare the two. So give me just a second on that. See, I'm not even sure exactly where these batteries go, to be honest. Take that off. Now I'll actually go ahead and shut this off right now, and then I'll start up again whenever I get it together. Alright, now that I've got it set up, I'm just going to go ahead and show you real quick the difference between the two. Actually, the wireless is a little bit bigger than the wired. Up here at the top where the all the Bluetooth stuff is inside. You can see. Hold on. Pretty much the same, just a little bit bigger for all the Bluetooth hardware to go inside. And there's your on-off switch, and where the batteries go in, same thickness and everything like that, just a little bit bigger up on the top. Pretty much it.